Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. For today, we're doing costillas con chile. So the ribs. All it is a rib cut in pieces. I got about 4 pounds I'm going to cook today. I'm not going to do no trimming on this. Most of the fat should render out. Seasoning, I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of salt and fresh ground pepper. Baby back ribs, pork ribs. That's what they are, and then just cut up in small pieces. I got my heat medium high heat for now. I'm not gonna add no water to this. You could if you want, but the meat has enough moisture where you don't have to add the water. As this goes on, you'll see that the moisture will be pulled out. Just a little bit. Fresh ground pepper. So this has been going for, I don't, let me say this. I don't have a lid for this olla right here, for this pan. So I just use foil. And it's been going 10 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. See that? I didn't add any water. The meat alone has enough moisture. So I'm gonna just lower down my heat. Let me see. Just low. Not too low, but that's the number 4 on my stove. Because I want all that meat to get tenderized in its own juice. And once all that water is gone, once all that water is gone, all that fat starts to render, and then it gets cooked in its own fat. Well, you'll see what I'm talking about. Kind of hard to explain. So this is like 10-15 minutes. I can hear it while I was sitting down on the kitchen table. I can hear pretty much all the water evaporating. See the grease coming out? This is all grease. Getting all rendered. We even got pulled back on the bones already. So with its own fat, we're gonna fry the meat. Turn up the heat a little bit. Medium high. Let's fry this up. You wanna pull out these bones. So I'm gonna lower my heat all the way down, and I'm gonna pull that all that oil out. We got most of it out. So here's a salsa. If you guys want to check out how I made this salsa, you guys got to go to the, what was that called? Oh, I called it the caveman style. I made some asada, and this is a lot of salsa that was left over. So I'm gonna just go ahead and dump it in. I'm gonna add water as well. A couple of cups of water. Oh man, it smells fire. Just mix that in there. Bring it to a simmer And then we'll cover it with foil. And then I'm gonna add some zucchini to it and some potatoes to it. So it's simmering right now. It's been here maybe 5 minutes. What I cut up was 2 zucchinis and 2 rustic potatoes. It's just a rough chop. Salt and pepper. Mix this around. Should be done 15-20 minutes or so. Just let that go. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my rice, and I'll show you guys how to make that too. I got a few tablespoons of olive oil in there. Make sure your oil's hot. I got 3 cups of jasmine rice. Make sure it's jasmine rice, nothing else. Jasmine rice is fire. Just mix the rice. Super simple. So here's the ratio on the rice. So I put 3 cups of rice. I'm gonna put 6 cups of water. And 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. So for every cup of rice, I put 1 tablespoon chicken bouillon. So we're gonna go ahead and add our 6 cups of water to the rice. And then just mix. So I'll bring you back once most of the water is gone, and I'll show you what to do next. So I'm gonna go ahead and add about 4 more cups of water. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon. And the reason I'm adding more water, let me tell you the reason why I'm adding more water to it. Because I'm adding these guys to it. Chicharrones. You can add any brand you want. The water's almost gone, pretty close. I'm gonna turn my heat down to as low as it goes. Add my lid. Turn this heat down as low as it goes. So I'm gonna leave it on low heat, maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes max. And then I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the flame. And just let it sit for 15-20 minutes. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Okie dokie, let's check out this rice. It's been 20 minutes. Fire, man. I'm gonna bring you up closer so you guys can see. You guys gotta try this recipe out. You're going for a taste test. Damn, it's hot. Check it out. Once again, I nailed it. I nailed it because when I was a taquero, I can't tell you how many thousands and thousands of batches I made of rice. All right, let's add our chicharrones. Fire. Okay guys, I just wanted to say thank you for checking out my videos. I got 45 subscribers, and I thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm working hard to push more content out there. If you guys have any suggestions as far as making any dishes, I can, try to make them. And I just appreciate for all your comments and everything you guys are doing. And let me show you a quick preview what I got going here for you guys. First play. So this is the next video I'm gonna put out. I'm just trying to look over if I missed anything. So it's a pulled pork, and it came out fire. It came out delicious. But anyways, I'm working really hard for you guys. Like I said, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know, and I'll cook it up. I'm trying to put out different, not just barbecue, but also cooking. I just did a video today, actually, Carne con Chile, and I'm gonna put that one up too. But thank you guys, I appreciate, and gracias, thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video. That's right, water. I added a lot of water because the chicharrón it's gonna act like a sponge. So I'm gonna let this cook down another 20 minutes. This time I'm gonna lower down the heat pretty low. Man, can't wait. What you want is the chicharrones to get soft. All right, this is done. It's bomb. And by all means, these beans are not homemade, unfortunately. But it's all good. They taste like homemade, but not quite. So let me go ahead and plate this, and I'll come back. Okay, guys, here we got it, man. We got it plated. We got the chicharrones. We got the carne, zucchini, potatoes. I got some queso fresco ranchero right here on top of the beans and rice. Let's go in for a taste test. Let's try it out. Super tender. Bomb. Let's try this piece of meat. Wow. Extremely tender. Fell off right off the bone. Let's try this rice. Fire. This is delicious. Bomb. So, thank you guys. Gracias for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. For now, I'm going to enjoy my lunch. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.